So, Zayed, this is the biryani which Ritesh has helped me make.
अरे तालियां भाई. It's looking fab. It's looking
So,
as if
I
it's.
think you please, all of you attack. I will wait first. Shall I
Let,
start
let's
serving you?
let's since Ritesh, the labor of love has been
Yes.
put into it. I'm dying to eat.
1 minute. Please eat it
Ritesh,
properly. because you
spicy food you also love,
I
right?
love spicy.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है खाने में स्पाइस ना हो
एक मिनट.
अगर लाइफ में भी स्पाइस ना तो मजा नहीं है.
नहीं मजा नहीं है.
Little bit.
There goes
And of
the
course,
gym.
with this you have to have the bagara bike.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm ready.
What
Zayed,
a spread, mom. I
shall
think
I
I
give you
will have
a
a little
meat?
biryani, little meat,
Huh.
and little rice.
Amazing. ये तो
Wow, God. I'm digging it with my hands, guys.
Please, please.
please go ahead.
So, Ritesh, Maharashtrian food also is like really spicy food, no?
It is. It's
Like
very-
misal pav and all
Misal pav and all. The more street Mumbai food, but authentic Maharashtrian food because we come from Marathwada area and the
Right.
Kolhapuri chicken is different.
Correct.
And chicken and mutton flavors keep changing. And even bharlele wanga.
Ah.
It's amazing.
What's that? What's that?
Harlela, that means it's
They stuff
Stuff it.
the aubergine with masala.
Wow.
and they
Oh.
make it. It's amazing. So basically, it's stuffed with a lot of masala we make with peanut.
With peanuts,
With
huh?
peanuts, yeah. Like
Is that because it's indigenous to the area?
it is indigenous area and mirchi is a thecha.
what's
Mirchi
that?
da thecha.
Thecha
Oh
with the
man, I
gravy.
love
That's
that.
another spicy.
That you can also like have with your powder on the side.
Yeah,
no?
absolutely.
You know?
It's amazing.
What sort of dishes does Janelia cook or no?
Yeah, she does. She's now started cooking some marinated chicken. It's amazing.
European
Truffle
dishes.
pasta.
Wow.
And then now, what we have decided, because I don't know how to cook, so I thought whenever I get some free time, let's go and start learning how to cook
Oh,
together.
nice.
I have to tell you a very funny story. So I'm in New York, I was studying there and working there as an architect. I was alone for the first time in my life. I have gone out somewhere alone. So of course, New York, Manhattan, some restaurant. Went there alone, sat on one huge, like a French restaurant, one corner table alone. And I was very nervous, so I didn't know how to speak to people and what to say.
What would
not
be
to
the
do.
right
Yeah,
etiquette.
I sat there, and the menu came to me. I said, I feel like having an egg. So the menu, I said, can you give me an eggplant? Because I didn't know. I thought aubergine or brinjal तो
रितेश चले गए अमेरिका.
अभी एक ही सब्जी को कितने नाम दोगे यार? इतना क्यों कंफ्यूज कर रहे हो? एग प्लांट भी है, ब्रिंजॉल भी है, ऑबर्जिन भी है.
So my mom, even when she goes to a Michelin star restaurant, okay, lovely, you know, that baked, you know, in rock salt, the lamb comes out, the lovely salad, the arugula and everything all spread out. Suddenly from her purse, na, 2 green chilies will come out. And while she's eating, cut. She's put the chilies on the table, and you know how these French waiters are, you know, they're kind of very, accurate,
Snobbish.
very accurate about what is on the plate and what comes out.
Sure.
So they go to the plate, they see it, they're like, that wasn't there on that plate. So he comes to his mom and he says, excuse me, ma'am, thinking that, you know, he might say, ma'am, I don't think this was, you know, prudent of you to like bring your green chilies. He actually goes to her and says, can I have some of those?
It's happened with me. He's asked me, not one, but so many of the way. And sometimes, you know, they go back and they talk about these 2 ladies from India who really eat hot food. So literally, I'm not joking, once or twice, the chefs have come out to see who are these people who are consuming so many chilies. Because when the plate went, there were about 6 chilies because all bland food, so 6 chilies. 6 chilies going back, you know how it is. But I believe that gives the spice of
No,
life.
of course it does.
So happy to see all your plates
It's
cleaned
finished.
up. Wow, that's great.
Ritesh.
You enjoyed it?
I loved it.
Ugh.
Can I get a crane to lift?
So you all have had fun and enjoyed your meal, I hope.
It's
Thoroughly.
too good, too
Yeah,
good.
Thank you.
I think the
Thanks
only
to
thing to relish right now is the couch.
Okay, so we are going to have some more musty with my boys. So join us after the break for some more fun.